Have you ever brought cookies to a party before that looked like this, but you wish that they looked like this instead? This short video will show you how you can make a cookie bouquet just like this at home. There are a few things you will need, and you should be able to find them all at Michael's or even Walmart. First, some tools you will use for decorating are tips and couplers. Then, of course, you will need icing. We chose to use 2 different colors for our flowers. Decorating bags will be used to decorate the cookies with icing. Notice that we will be using 4 different bags, 2 types for each color. And the most important items, cookies. To make a bouquet with your cookies, you'll need to have baked them with the cookie sticks. Now that you have your tools, you are ready to begin. The first step is to prepare a decorating bag to use to outline the cookie. You'll want to choose a bag that has about 1 inch of the tip cut off, a coupler, and the tip. The coupler has 2 pieces, one cone-shaped and one circular. The cone-shaped piece goes inside the bag and the tip goes over it, outside the bag. The circular piece of the coupler then screws on to secure the tip. Next, it is helpful to fold down the top part of the bag, and then you're ready to add your spoonfuls of icing. Once you've added the icing, unfold the bag and twist it tightly. Now you are ready to outline your cookie. Squeeze the icing bag and follow the outer shape of the cookie. Once you have your outline, you're ready to prepare another decorating bag with icing to fill in the rest of your cookie. The trick is that the icing needs to be thinner than what you used for the outline. To thin the icing, add half a teaspoon of water for every 1/4 cup of icing. The bag that you'll want this time will have only about 3/8 of an inch of the tip cut off, and you will not need to use a coupler. Fill the bag with icing like before, but make sure to hold the tip of the bag upward to prevent spilling. Then, fill in the outlined area of the cookie with a generous amount of icing until it is completely covered. You can use different icing colors to create different types of flowers in your bouquet. The last step of decorating is to fill in the center of the flower with a contrasting color. You will need to let the cookies dry for at least 24 hours, and then you can assemble the bouquet. Supplies needed for the bouquet are a flower pot. We used a 4-inch diameter flower pot, a piece of styrofoam, tissue paper, and a ribbon. First, you want to wrap the styrofoam in tissue paper and place it in the pot. Then, you can cut the cookie sticks to the length that you would like. We cut ours to 3 different lengths. Then, one by one, stick the cookies into the styrofoam. Finally, use the ribbon for a finishing touch on your bouquet. And now, you're ready to share it with somebody else.